As you can see, get the pepper shrimp. Yeah man, good fresh coconut water. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm in middle quarters. I stopped by UJ Auntie. Let me get the name pronounced right. What you say name?
UJ and Auntie One Stop.
Alright.
Right, yeah.
So in middle quarter. So right now I stop in middle quarter to get some pepper shrimp. And trust me, we can't wait for this because we've been waiting so long for a pepper shrimp. You say this is the crawfish, right?
Yeah.
So I go on the yeah. How you sell that one?
Okay, 3,500 per pound, half pound for 1,800.
Hey, give me half pound. So our pepper shrimp right here, guys. See, that's the crayfish right there, and then this is just the small. This is from the sea, right? This is from the ocean, right?
Right.
Yeah. How much you shot, man?
You get $200.
Alright, give me what you have still.
You want water or anything? Can I give you?
Yeah, anything, yeah. If you want to put, a little shrimp on it, that's it, you know?
No problem.
Yeah. Better that way, right? Yeah, man. And so if they come down here and they want to look for you, who they for ask for? You or how it go?
You call.
You call?
Yeah, you call.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, you call.
Alright. So
Yep.
thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy the shrimp. And we can smell it.
Sure you will.
Alright, thanks. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, mega quarters. Yeah man. See, when you come mega quarters, you have to stop here so forget your shrimp, man. So your shrimp still, I have to buy one bag from you. I have to still support you, you know?
How's that one?
How much?
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Alright. So this one,
Yeah.
so this is the same price? Alright, give me one of those. Give me this one. You can get it in a bigger box or a plastic box so we can carry it with me.
Five?
Yeah. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, yeah? This is your shop here?
Yeah.
Alright guys, as you can see, Mega Quarter. Big's hot spot. Yeah. And you can come get pepper shrimp from her. What's your name?
Amber.
Pardon me?
Amber.
Amber? Alright. As you can see, get the pepper shrimp. Watch out for the road, you know, because you carry them come on. Yeah. much you want? No, mommy, no want to stress it. I'm good. It's okay. Nice fresh coconut water. You can see, we just get my proper shrimp, start to get my coconut water. We see where we are going next. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Good fresh coconut water. I make him chop it for me still, so thank you jelly, you know. That's jelly. Tastes good. Sweet. See the spoon? So this is my spoon, guys. Eat this with some sugar right now. The way it's sweet, I need no sugar at all. See? It's all over my face, man. See, that's the thing, you know, when you eat them thing, yeah? You can't have all shell and them stuff all over your face, car. See my spoon? Well, I'm not finding this one, sure. Yes guys, as you can see, I just stop to get my coconut water, alam bamboo. Alright, so we'll see where we go next. Okay. Santa Cruz town now. Reach at the stoplight. As you can see, a lot of traffic. Sun hot, be nice, look a bit windy, but yeah. We just drink a coconut water, so everything cool. Cruz town. Past the gas station there. That's at the transport center. On your left front side, right there, so. Yeah. Let out the taxi money. In town, Santa Cruz. So in town, there's a Santa Cruz. Everybody are hustling, like, as you can see on the side over here, so too. See how them are hustle over here, so too. Yeah. That has a little stall, you know. Hand cart man are selling little vegetables. Same way, so. Kids them come from school. See sign there say Goshen, Mandeville, Malvern or Santa Cruz bypass. One thing with Santa Cruz still busy, you know. Always busy. KFC that right there, so famous KFC in Santa Cruz. This is Tets right here. See? In Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Come on, as you can see, little shop them up on the side, you know. Right now we're heading up to Gutters. Yeah. Yeah man, so right now we're in Gutters right now. Heading up towards Birchy Hill area. Right, so you can stop and get your porridge and your soup. Yeah man. So you have all the vegetables and the fruits yourself on the side. So we're heading to the corner where everybody fear right now. Where the most accident happen. Right here. Coming around this corner, you have to take your time and watch out for the big trail right now. Wow. A lot of car and a lot of accident happen here. There's a spot up here now with always stop and get a jerk chicken or a jerk pork, you know, so. I'll make a quick stop here, you know. Check out and so on. Send me a come on for that, brother. Well, nice. Yeah, man. You can put in a 2 separate file for me? Yeah. Which part of that? Oh, okay. Yeah, man. So which part you saw that? Where you saw name, sir? Okay, so yes guys, we're there right at Spur Tree, Eglinton. All season. Yeah man, as you can see. We're there, so we just stop to get some jerk pork. Right there, so you know, it's one of them famous places where you have to stop now in the Spur Tree to get the jerk chicken and your jerk pork. Yeah man. Yeah, look at that. Well, nice. And the scent will come on for this jerk chicken right now. Trust me. Nice. So, you can see guys, this is the sauce. What kind of sauce is this? Pepper? Yeah. And then this is pepper. Let's put a little bit of pepper into it. Eh? Not too much ice cream. Yeah, man, yeah, right. See that guys? Your chicken. Yeah, have a back, yeah, man. Respect here, brother. Alright. See guys, see, I just have to get my jerk chicken, jerk pork. Trust me, the smell will come off of this. I can't wait for diving into this right now. Yeah, I'll show you where it is. Exactly. sure it's a spiritual hill me dep on, you know. See the hill there? As you can see. Yeah man, see? Hill there. Alright. So next destination. Yeah. Eh? Yeah man, I hate that man, so
See them right there.
yeah.
Don't know in time I make a staff pass purchase up all seasons purchase jerk center, great chicken, great pork. Don't know in time I can pass through, come for the view. The pork chicken, I don't know in time I can pass through, so I have to stock some chicken, some good pork. I don't know I can say shaman.
Alright. Yeah man.
I give you some comment, man. I give you a review.
Alright, sir.
Pick up yourself, BG.
Yeah man.
Out here.
Alright. See, as you can see guys. Yeah man. Yes guys, as you see. Can't wait, I have to try it. Have to try it. Look at this. Yes, good. Real good. You know you get the real jerk chicken. Yeah man. Right now, the only thing we should get with this is a piece of bread, but right now I'm gonna just go. Can't wait for no bread. It tastes real good guys. Get the real authentic Jamaican jerk chicken and spiritual hill. Not too much talking, but boy, tastes good. Look. Look at this guys. Look at the jerk pork. Yes, good man. Tastes good. When you eat them food, you know you can't talk. You know? Real deal right here, man. Real authentic Jamaican jerk pork. Yeah. So right now we're in Manchester. Yeah, man. Look at the houses over there, so left and right. To Mandeville. I'll stop at Mega Mart for a quick sec and see what's up. Alright guys, so we're in Mandeville and we'll just stop at Mega Mart. So we're getting a quick view. So right over there so is Manchester High School. I don't know if you can really see it, but that's right across here so it's Manchester High School. Yeah man, so we just finished from Mega Mart, so right now we're just gonna hit back the road. Yeah, alright, so
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
alright guys, see, we just buy the donut. We're there in our Mandeville town and we just buy a Prestige donut. And you know, so once you come to Jamaica you have to get a donut. See it here, I'm turning around so you can see it better. Yeah man, the Prestige donut.
Check, yes sir.
So right now guys, we're there in a Mandeville town. You know, traffic crazy. Look as you can see. Yeah man. just leave out Mandeville town now, and you can see how crazy and hectic it be. Although now you know say it's rush hour, so the kids them come off of school and things. So alright, so I'm gonna hit back the road right now down to the country. Yeah man, bless up. Right now we're going off the Spurtree Hill, so as you can see, traffic. So you know, so probably a trailer down there now slowing down the traffic. So you know we have to go according to the traffic, right? Yeah, look on the sun. Look on the sunset, man. Nice. Yeah. So right here, guys, we're going around, as we say, one of the most dangerous corner on Spurtree Hill. As I said earlier before when I was coming up, this is one of the most dangerous corner where a lot of accidents happen, a lot of truck turnover. As you can see over there, so it's just a cliff, you know, and a lot of truck go over there, so, and a lot of truck turn over car too. So when you see cars going by here, they take a little time to go around the corner because, you know, yep. You have to be careful, you know. So that's why you see all of these cars, they kind of more cautious as to how they're driving, especially around this corner. So yeah, so we're coming off Spurtree Hill now.